What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Let me ask you a question. What could you do with an extra $1,000 per month? You could pay off debt. You could take a vacation. You could buy new furniture. You could build up an emergency fund. You can make home repairs. You can actually save that money and put a down payment on a new home. The possibilities are endless. For a lot of people, an extra $1,000 a month would change their world. Did you know you could make $1,000 a month or more on eBay? I've been selling on eBay for many years, and in my experience, it's a low-cost way to earn additional money. It doesn't cost you one dime to sign up and create your eBay store. Here are my top 8 product categories that over the years I've found carry the highest profit margins. Number 1, home tech, which would include TVs, speakers, DVD players, Blu-ray players. Number 2, fitness gear. That would include running, golfing, and yoga equipment and accessories. Number 3, branded electronics. Sony, Apple, Samsung would include smartphones, earbuds, anything to do with small electronics or branded electronics from your major manufacturers of smartphones. Number 4, fashion. Trendy fashion items or clothing are popular items and they sell very well on eBay in my experience. Number 5, shoes. Now this category can range from dress shoes to casual shoes to outdoor and athletic shoes. Number 6, jewelry and watches. Now watches is near and dear to my heart because I'm a big watch guy, and I have over the years bought and sold many watches on eBay and have done extremely well. Number 7, collectibles. That's another area that have some experience in. I've sold some collectible items on eBay over the years, and I have done extremely well, and they are extremely profitable. Good profit margins if you buy them correctly. And then number 8, books. Books are a great way to be able to make money on eBay, specifically used books. There's a whole community out there of people who buy pre-owned and used books from eBay. And in my experience, they do carry quite nice profit margins. Those are the 8 top product categories that carry the highest profit margins on eBay based on my years of experience. I would ask you guys to go out and do some research on your own. Determine for yourself what you feel are the right products for your eBay store. That's an individual thing for each person. In my case, the things that I focus primarily on my eBay stores is luxury watches and branded electronics. Those 2 categories have done extremely well for me. Now let's talk about some tips that I recommend you do when starting your eBay store. The first tip, and I think the most important tip, is make sure you take good quality photos of the items you're going to be putting up for sale in your eBay store. Number 2 tip, make sure you are pricing your items correctly. Before you list any item on eBay for sale, do a quick search on eBay for that item. You will see a variation of prices, but at least you'll know what the market is. And then you can determine from high to low price where you want to price your item. My recommendation is price it to sell. If there are 100 items on eBay similar to your item and you're at the top of the price range, more times than not, your item may get passed by if people can get that same item for a lesser price. So always do a quick search on eBay to make sure you're pricing your item correctly. The third tip is Make sure that you list your items on eBay on a consistent basis. And also make sure you list them in the right category. And then the fourth tip, make sure that you understand eBay's seller fee structure, because each item, depending upon what type of item it is, may carry a different fee structure. I believe anybody can go on and set up an eBay store and start making money. I think you guys can make $1,000 a month if you take the necessary steps. First of all, find products that are profitable, that you can make a profit on. Number two, the 4 tips. Take good photos, make sure you're pricing it properly, make sure you put items in your store on a consistent basis and make sure they're in the right category. And then 4, understand eBay's seller fee structure. You have a tremendous opportunity through your eBay store to create an additional stream of income for yourself that you do part-time. You can also create a business out of it that you can do full-time and make even more than $1,000 per month if that's what you want to do. You can make as much money as you want or as little money as you want on eBay. It's a tremendous platform that allows you to have access to hundreds of millions of people on a daily basis. You got to understand, and this was what helped me in my process of kind of paying attention and really putting more effort into my eBay stores, is the power and the reach of eBay has transcended the way people buy and sell things online. And I think we all have an opportunity to share in that experience and create an income for ourselves. Back to what I said at the beginning of the video. What would you do with an extra $1,000 per month? For me, guys, an extra $12,000 a year would be fantastic. That's money I could use to invest in other things like real estate. I can invest that $12,000 into a mutual fund or a stock portfolio, or I can simply just enjoy that $12,000 on my family by taking a nice vacation or buying something nice for our home. It can also be a wonderful way for you to save up money on a down payment for your first home if you're not a homeowner and you want to be a homeowner. It's unlimited. You can do many things with the money that you earn on eBay. The key is get started. Don't get hung up on the details yet. I recommend you dive in head first, go on ebay.com, create your store today, and practice by putting items that you already have in your home that you don't want anymore. Start putting those items up for sale. And then start learning how to be an eBay store owner. Also, there are plenty of tutorials on how to get started in eBay and how to build an eBay business. You can do a quick Google search, or you can go on to YouTube and also type in how to start my eBay store, and you will get a plethora of videos that'll come up giving you as much detail as you want as it relates to starting your eBay store. What my goal was today was to share some of my best practices and tips that I've used in order to have a successful eBay store for many years. Go make your first $1,000 this month. If you want 3 free stocks, Webull is going to give you 3 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're going to give you 3 free stocks for just trying out their brokerage app. There's a link down in the description box of this video. Go click on that Webull link. Open up your new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I'm going to also send you a Webull tutorial video to walk you through how to use the Webull app to make your first trade. All you got to do is send me an email. Let me know you've opened the Webull account, and I'm going to send you that free Webull tutorial video. Email address down in the description box of the video. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting.
And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.